Welcome back to Unstable TV! And you're through to Irish Couple Reacts. And do stay tuned because this happens every week.
So if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of these videos. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you!
Thanks for joining us for another react! So Danielle, what are we reacting to on Unstable TV?
So on our social media accounts, they're in the description there if you want to check them out. A couple of people asked us to look at some TikTok memes and compilations and things like that. So we're going to look at these ones. It is the helicopter meme compilation, which is basically the biggest meme now at the minute. So we said, yeah, let's go and take a look.
Yeah, like we decided we'd take it, like, you know, obviously we are on a journey of education too, but you know, all work and no play will make unstable a dull boy and girl.
Exactly.
We decided we'd do a bit of a comedy one for a change. And if you have any further contacts on the social medias or the comment section, whichever easier for you. So without further ado, we'll jump straight in, shall we? I need to put my earphone in because for some reason I don't do that. Let's go. Oh. That's Mario Kart. Oh. What's this? What?
What? That was a skill.
Yeah, where did that go? Oh no.
Oh no. He was not hurt in the process of this video.
What?
Oh no, all the cheese.
What would you do?
You'd be just so upset.
Like, what would you do?
That, cry.
Yeah. I like the Hawaiian short though.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
Oh, this is your favourite one. Why?
Oh my god. Oh. Did he just pull his tail? Oh, look at him. Wow.
Okay.
What's happening here now?
Don't tell me the tent's going ruffle.
Bye bye, trampoline.
Hopefully that didn't hurt anyone. What?
What? He just switched the turbo mode. How did he
That's impressive. Let's try that out.
teach us that?
Is that her hair?
How was she doing that? Oh, windmill, yeah. Metal.
Oh, that's cute.
Granddad's taking the helicopter for a spin.
Jeepers, I'm dizzy after watching that about you.
Yeah, definitely. It's hard to follow on the eyes, but them compilations were hilarious.
Oh my god, no. Like, there's so much you can do with just one sound.
It's amazing how one piece of audio can do so much.
Yeah, like there's so much different content there. Oh no.
We're easily entertained over here.
We are.
Yeah. Shout out to everyone that has checked this out and send us more. They were wild and helicopter, and we will leave you all with that. So as always, you are the beautiful people of YouTube, and we have been Unstable TV.
So drop a comment below and let us know what you thought of this reaction video. And if you have any suggestions for us to do, let us know too.
And as always, we will see